Frustrated by the Qipcap Library DLL error causing localized image and video capture logic to hang? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll help you resync those external dependencies today. Quickly resolve Qipcap library inconsistencies with the official optimization software linked below. This is the Qipcap library, a specialized packet capture library for localized security tools. It manages the unmanaged localized interception of localized raw network packets and facilitates the localized analysis of data link manifests for threat detection. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. The Qipcap library DLL library is a specialized asset belonging to the localized image/video capture logic environment, and you must reinstall the host program that is displaying the error to ensure all internal dependencies are properly synchronized. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Qipcap library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. Since a standard reinstall didn't fix the library error, we need to perform an integrity check on the host program. If you are using a launcher like Steam or Epic, use the Verify Integrity of Game Files tool. For standalone apps, manually delete the application folder in your local app data directory before reinstalling to ensure no corrupted files are locked in the cache. Why are we doing this? Well, standalone installers often skip files that are already present or locked. Using integrity tools or clearing the app data cache forces a byte-for-byte replacement of your DLL file. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. A quick safety warning: never download files like Qipcap Library DLL from unofficial websites. These files are often outdated or bundled with malware that can compromise your personal data and system security. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. A recommended diagnostic path for Qipcap library management is outlined in the software resource linked below. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing Qipcap library was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.